NVIDIA has officially announced the launch of its GeForce RTX 30 LHR or Lite hash rate series graphics cards, which are designed to combat cryptocurrency mining and get more GeForce graphics cards into the hands of gamers. The main difference between the existing NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series and the GeForce RTX 30 LHR Lite hash rate series is going to be the inclusion of a new hash rate limiter, which is stated, very important to note that it is stated to be impossible to bypass. Getting rid of that annoying Activate Windows logo is easy and inexpensive thanks to bobkeys.com, where you can get a genuine lifetime Windows key. Simply head over to www.bobkeys.com and enter Microsoft Windows 10 Pro, and you'll be off to get your own Windows 10 Pro key and take full control of your computer once again. Make sure and use promo code WT25 for 25% savings when checking out. And once you have your key, head over and activate Windows and you're good to go, as this key will not expire. The new graphics cards will also feature a brand new GPU SKU under the GA-2. So think GA1022 or GA1042. You kind of get the picture there. And it will come with resizable bar support out of the box. Currently, users running existing RTX 30 series graphics cards have to flash the VBIOS to access that feature. Now, this updated NVIDIA GA2 GPUs will be shipping in the middle of this month, so we can expect graphics cards with the new chips to start hitting the retail shelves around June of next month, realistically. And specifications for the prices for the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 Lite hash rate series graphics cards aren't going to change. It should stay exactly like it is. Now, how do you tell if you've got an LHR or a non-LHR GPU? Well, you need to disassemble the card yourself and look at the code name on the GPU to see if it's part of the GA-2 series lineup, or you could wait for the hardware detection and monitoring software to get updated to support these GPUs, or you could try running a mining algorithm that runs off Ethereum. So that's another way. Think about that. I mean, you're probably not buying these to mine, but if you are buying them to mine, you'll know real quick which one you got. Now, the cards in the lineup that are going to be affected by this move will be the RTX 3080, the RTX 3070, the RTX 3060 Ti, and the RTX 3060. There are no mention of the RTX 3090 being updated, so it appears that it will be game on for miners if they so choose to do so. Also, flashing an old BIOS onto the new cards won't work due to a different device hardware ID. This means that there's an additional parameter aside from the GPU driver handshake that will prevent the BIOS firmware upgrade from working on the newer cards, and that may totally limit full hash rate performance for cryptocurrency mining algorithms. Now, in other NVIDIA news, NVIDIA has announced its Computex 2021 keynote, which will take place on the 31st of May, focusing on gaming and enterprise data centers. The company will have a lot to talk about, including a few key product announcements. After AMD and Intel, NVIDIA has also announced its Computex 2021 digital keynote, which will be taking place on the 31st of May at 10 p.m. PDT or 4 p.m. AEDT. Quite honestly, I haven't looked up to see what time zones those are, and I have a feeling it'll be in the middle of the night for me, so you may have to catch those guys live if you want to get it quickly. The executive keynote will be hosted by Senior Vice President of the GeForce Division, Jeff Fisher, and Head of Enterprise Computing at NVIDIA, Manaver Das. Now, apologies if I butchered the pronunciation there on that name. Now, if you all remember, Jeff Fisher unveiled the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 along with several other key gaming technologies back in CES 2021. So, we can expect him to make a brand new announcement at the Computex 2021 keynote. Now, these announcements would likely include new GeForce RTX 30 Ti series of graphics cards, which were leaked out a few weeks back. Now, we could also hear an update of new tech for gamers and how the company is managing supply and demand in these crucial times. As for the data center side of stuff, NVIDIA has already announced its vision for the future at GTC 2021, so we might not get many new announcements, but product availability and release dates might be more interesting topics as far as this segment is concerned. Once again, the NVIDIA keynote will be sandwiched between Intel's and AMD's, as all three tech giants have keynotes within a few hours of each other. We'll keep you posted on each announcement and the release that takes place at the NVIDIA Computex 2021 keynote. And I want to thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you like what you've seen here and you like getting news daily, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. And if you've missed out on news in the past and you want to catch those, check out one of these videos over here.